Am I audible? Okay, last class we are discussing about the revolts of the middle class. Okay, as the liberals who wanted to bring the the French country or European, all the European country under the constitutions. They wanted a nation which is rule under a constitution, that is called constitutionalism with national unifications. Okay, they wanted a nation state in which there should be a constitution and all people should have a common belongingness and single belongingness. Okay, so they took advantage of the yes. କାଣା ହଉଛେ ବବଲିଂ ହଉଛେ କେଁ ହଁ ହଁ ହେବା ଚଲବା ମୁଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛେ ନେଟ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ବୋ କିଛି ନାଇଁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ହେବା ତ what I am telling, they took advantage of the growing popular unrest to push their demands for the creation of a nation state on parliamentary principles. We have already discussed what is parliamentary principles in the 9th class. There is one of the important features of the democracy, that should have a parliamentary parliamentary form of the government, which means if any country which is rule under a parliamentary principles, which means there should have a constitution, there should have a freedom of the press and freedom of association. The three important principles that must follow if a constitution which is rule under a parliamentary principles. Okay, what do you mean parliamentary principle? You understood or not? Parliamentary principles means what? A constitution, a freedom of the press and freedom of the associations. Okay, without freedom of the press, without freedom of the associations, without parliamentary form of government, that should not be a nation state who is work under a constitution. So the liberals, nationalists of European country who wanted a nation state where the country should follow the constitutionalism with national unification, which means they should follow a nation state on a parliamentary principles. Okay, in the German regions, a large number of the political associations whose members were middle class professionals, okay, businessmen, prosperous artisans came together in the city of Frankfurt and decided to vote for all German National Assembly. We remember this, very important for exemption point of view, most often communal examinations. Who decided, where they decided, what they decided. Okay, in the German regions, the number of political associations whose members were political middle class professionals. Okay, businessmen, prosperous artisans. Na super. नेट प्रॉब्लम कि नहीं यहाँ दे सुबला यहाँ दे नेट मुझे चेंज करूँ है B2 के जैसे जियो के लोग आसे जियो जीरो अच्छे बोल मुझे यहाँ देखनी जीरो अच्छे 1.70 कौन आसबा नेट 1.70 यहाँ दे असला याद आसला ना टिके शुभुचे या शुभुचे या शुभ हाँ शुभा माने का नेट पूरा स्लो है लेकिन जी माने तार माने फास्ट बीट इंटरनेट तार स्पीड होचे 7.80 बोले काना शुभा टिके स्पीड है सिना हला तो बुझी पारलो मैं काना कहले जाउतली जे माने जर्मनी रो जेन बहुत गुडे पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशंस माने काना कहले से माने गोटे मीटिंग डाकले केना मीटिंग डाकले फ्रैंकफर्ट रे आ उसने स्थिर कले जे टू वोट फॉर ऑल जर्मन नेशनल असेंबली गोटे ऑल जर्मन नेशनल असेंबली से माने तैयारी करमाले चाहली केना तैयारी करले चाहले परीक्षा पड़सी मोस्ट अपन कोने जंक्शन सिटी ऑफ फ्रैंकफर्ट ऑफ जर्मनी ओके ऑन 18 May 1848 831 we remember this the number 831 elected representative march in the festive processions माने 831 जन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव प्रतिनिधि बुझे कि नहीं से माने कान हेले दे से प्रोसेसन स्टार्ट कले हला 831 elected representative march in a festive procession to take their places in the Frankfurt convent in the church of St. Paul माने सेंट पॉल रे जो मीटिंग टा डकाइतिला सेथिरे केते जण माने प्रतिनिधि से माने योगदान करथिले हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स वेर दे पार्टिसिपेट इन द Frankfurt Parliament Convention that was yes in the Church of Saint Paul. Can I देखो you have to remember this in the Church of Saint Paul. Okay, in the Church of Saint Paul, the conventions of National Assembly was convened where the what 831 representatives they participated in the meeting and they drafted a constitution for German nation to be headed by monarchy subject to a parliament. In this case, what they did, they drafted a constitution ସେମାନେ ସମ୍ବିଧାନଟେ ତିଆରି କଲେ and for German nations to be headed by a monarchy subject to a parliament ମାନେ ମୁଖ୍ୟ କିଏ ରହିବେ ଗୋଟେ ରାଜା ରହିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସେନା ବି ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବା ମାନେ ପାର୍ଲାମେଣ୍ଟାରୀ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ରହିବା ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ରହିବା ତାରେ ପଲିଟିକାଲ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଟିଭ ରହିବେ ବୁଝଛ କି ନାହିଁ freedom of speech ରହିବା freedom of association ରହିବା everything will be there okay so when the deputies offered the crown on these terms to Frederick William Fourth, king of Prussia, he rejected it and joined other monarchs to oppose the elected assembly. Which is say they when they decided to have a what monarchy parliament, what happened? They offered the Prussian king, whose name was what? Frederick William Fourth. We remember this. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ସ୍ଥିର କଲେ ଯେ ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଶର କାଣା ବାସ ତାଙ୍କ ଦେଶର what you may say the system of rule will be under a constitution and it should be a monarchical constitution which means the head of the state is the king or the queen so semane jeteବେଳେ when they offer the proposal to the Prussia king of Prussia Frederick William IV he rejected the proposal why he rejected the proposal anybody else please response Babu Padmalochan yes anybody else those who are listening yes anybody else please raise where no not that is not mane he is the head of the country but he did not limited his power 50% it is that is right but he have to do he have to work under a constitution he have to responsible to the elected representatives whatever decision he have to taken by the king he have to first take the consensus of the representatives that's why and he was purely a conservatist माने राजा माने से समय कोन थिले all the European countries kings were conservatives they always wanted to restore the conservatism that's why they did not allow the liberal nationalists okay to instill all their ideas in political system okay so that's why Frederick IV king of Prussia he rejected the proposal and joined other monarch to oppose the elected assembly से अन्य राजा मानक सहित मिसी गले एवं से माने जो नेशनल असेंबली क्रिएट हेतला ताकि समय विरोध कले बुझलो कि नहीं while the oppositions of the aristocracy and military became stronger the social basis of parliament eroded काण हबा देखन कहला जे जति बेला एरिस्टोक्रेसी माने स्ट्रांग हे जिवे मिलिटरी पावर स्ट्रांग हे जिबा तारे सन पार्लियामेंट किसी माने नै रहे देयर इज द नो बेसिस ऑफ द व्हाट system of parliament so the parliament was dominated by the middle classes who resisted the demands of workers and artisans and consequently lost their support धीरे धीरे काना हला the parliament was dominated by the middle classes धीरे धीरे parliament काना हला बहुत middle class मन रहले professional रहले businessman रहले prosperous artisan रहले तो जेतले बहुत men माने गुडा रही गले who resisted the demands of workers माने इन काना हला देखो से माने तो पहला नेशनल असेंबली कर देले ସେମାନେ ଅଫର କଲେ ପ୍ରୁସିଆର ରାଜାଙ୍କୁ ସେଟା ବି ସେ ମନା କରିଦେଲେ ତ in this meanwhile what happened who stronger became the middle class people who were the elected members of the national assembly they never heard the demands of the workers of German peoples ସେମାନେ ଯାହା ବି ତାମାନେ workers ଶ୍ରମିକ ମାନଙ୍କର ଯାହା ବି ଦାବି ଥିଲା ତାକୁ ସେମାନେ ଅଣଦେଖା କରିଲେ ଶୁଣିଲେ ନାହିଁ and artisans ମାନେ ଯାହା ବି କଳାକାର ଥିଲେ ଯାହା ବି କିଛି ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ଇଲେକ୍ଟେଡ ହେଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କିଛି ଦାବି କରାଯାଇସି manifesto ରଖାଯାଇସି when someone stand in the election they have to keep their manifesto on before the public and after the what elections is over what happened the government or the people's representative who wanted to fulfill their manifesto so in this case means while what they given in the manifesto, they did not fulfill their demands of the workers and the artisans. Then what happened? It is clear, it is what? It is obvious that the workers and artisans were disappointed, they were dissatisfied, they were discontented. Okay, ସେମାନେ ପୁରାପୁରି ସେମାନେ କାଣା ହେଲେ ଅସନ୍ତୋଷ ଜ୍ଞାପନ କଲେ, ସେମାନେ କିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ତାଙ୍କର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ହେଲା, ତାଙ୍କର ଯାହା ଦାବି ପୂରଣ ନାହିଁ ହେଲା। ଓକେ, and the workers and artisans consequently lost their support। ଯାହା ବି ତାମାନେ workers ମାନେ ସମର୍ଥନ କରୁଥିଲେ ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଆସେମ୍ବଲିର ସେ ସମର୍ଥନଟା ଆଉ ସେମାନେ ପାଇଲେ ନାହିଁ। in the end troops were called in and the assembly was forced to disband। ପରିଶେଷରେ କାଣା ହେଲା, what happened in the end, ପରିଶେଷରେ ମାନେ troops ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ସୈନ୍ୟ ମାନେ ଆସିଲେ ଆଉ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଆସେମ୍ବଲି ଯେନ୍ ତିଆରି ହେଇଥିଲା ବହୁତ 831 ଜଣ ପ୍ରତିନିଧି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ନେଇକିରି ତାହାକୁ କାଣା କରି ଦିଆଗଲା, ଡିସବ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ କରି ଦିଆଗଲା, ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଦିଆଗଲା। this was the ending results of what? Losing of the supports of the peoples who they what elected their representative in the National Assembly. They lost their what support because of non-fulfillment of their what demands, non-fulfillment of their manifesto। जेहेतु जहाँ भी से दाबी उपस्थापना करते फुलफिल करवार लगी जेहेतु से किसी नहीं कले तो से पदवी हरवाके पड़ा माने माने सैन्य मैंने पलि आसले डिसबैंड कले नेशनल असेंबली की हला। एंड द इश्यू ऑफ एक्सटेंडिंग पॉलिटिकल राइट्स टू वुमेन वाज ए कंट्रोवर्शियल one within the liberal movement। मतलब सही समय आउ गोटे कोन इश्यू थिला, कंटेंसस थिला। व्हाट वाज द मेन इंपोर्टेंट कंट्रोवर्शियल कंटेंसस among the political systems and the women's political right to women, because they were excluded, only the men have the political right to cast their votes। That's what happened, in which large numbers of the women had participated actively over the years। Women had formed their own political associations, founded newspapers and taken part in political meetings and demonstrations to get their rights, political rights। The women of the European countries, especially the German women, okay, they started forming association, they started funding newspapers, taking part in political meetings and demonstrations। Despite this they were denied। जदियो तथापि मध्ये जते जहा कले भी तथापि मध्ये सने गणना करा होतला, they were denied what suffrage rights during the elections of the assembly। जेन इलेक्शन हितिला नेशनल असेंबली तथापि मध्ये तांको suffrage right माने कना? Anybody else? What do you mean suffrage right? Suffrage right, yes, very good, right to vote। The suffrage right during the elections of assembly। Okay, when the Frankfurt Parliament convened in the Church of St. Paul, women were admitted only as observer to stand in their visitor gallery। जेहेतु सेमान को किसी political right नहीं दिया है तो जिते बेले माने फ्रैंकफर्ट जन पार्लियामेंट हला, when the Frankfurt Parliament was convened at where Church of St. Paul, women were admitted, women खाली अनुमति दिया हितिला। ओके, एज ओनली ऑब्जर्वर, से देखबे खाली किछि कोइ न पारन। दे हैव नो राइट टू स्पीक ऑन द पार्लियामेंट बिकॉज़ दे हैव नो पॉलिटिकल राइट्स, ओनली ऑब्जर्वर टू स्टैंड इन द विजिटर गैलरी। मतलब दर्शक हिसाब रे खाली देखबे। दे कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द डिस्कशन, दे कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द डेलिब्रेशन, दे कैन नॉट पार्टिसिपेट इन द डिबेट ऑफ द फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट। ओनली दे हैव ओनली ऑब्जर्वर्स। ओके, से माने काना हिसाब रहबे, से माने ऑब्जर्वर हिसाब रे। तो से काना हला देखो, तुम चित्र देखु तो पेज फिगर नंबर 10 समस्त देखु छ। देखो गैलरी अछि, गैलरी ऊपर समस्त वुमेन माने अछन, तले डिस्कशन चली छी। देखु छ समस्त फिगर 10 देखु छ। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू looking the figure number 10, please response yes, write down y in the chat box। समस्त देखो रे परीक्षा पड़सी। देखो फिगर ऊपर गैलरी जन अछि, देखो समस्त ऊपर पूरा गैलरी रे समस्त वुमेन गुडा बसी छन, और बाकी जा समस्त काना छन, बाकी समस्त तले रिप्रेजेंटेटिव गुडा को 831 जन रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बोल केते हेबे? यस, वेरी गुड। प्रीतम, वंदिता, अंतर्यामी, ठीक अछि। शीघ्र शीघ्र शीघ्र। हां, स्वरूपा, हां, अनेश, नंदिता, वेरी गुड। हाँ, तो बुझी पालो समस्ते। तो though the conservative forces were unable to support the liberal movements in 1848, they could not restore the old order। देखो इन कटे तो बढ़िया जिनिस हेला। व्हाट हैपेंड? though conservative forces were able to suppress the liberal movements in 1848, जहाँ भी मैंने मिडिल क्लास मैंने मूवमेंट करथिले what the movement started by the middle class to occupy the authority, occupy the powers of the what of the country, and they suppress the liberal movement in 1848, but they could not restore the old order. जहाँ भी पुराना कालिया ढंग थिला, the system was in old time, what happened, that was not restored. जहाँ भी नीति नियम बहुत पूर्वरु थिला, मोनार्क जेतले शासन करथिले जहाँ भी थिला ताहा आ रहिला नै, किछि परिवर्तन हैला। काना हैला देखो, monarchs were beginning to realize, जे माने शासक हेले, जे माने राजा हेले, those who were the ruler, those who is the king, okay, they realized, okay, they realized that the cycles of the revolutions and repression could only be ended by granting concession to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. माने सोले हुहल्ला, the noise and chaos and the what upheavals or the movements or uprisings can be only be suppressed, can only be ended only what granting concession to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. माने से माने भाबी देले हृदयंगम कले, माने केन माने जे माने शासक हेले, राजा हेले, से माने भाबले जे आउ पुराना कालिया भाबरे आउ देश को चले हेबो नै, किछि माने किछि कंसेशन देबार पड़बो, ग्रांटिंग कंसेशन टू दी लिबराल नेशनलिस्ट रिवोल्यूशनरीज। जो माने उदारवादी जातीयतावादी जो विप्लवी थिले सेमानको पई किछि जदी नीति नियम परिवर्तन करा न जाय ताहेले केबे भी सेमाने देश को शासन करिवे नै बोली पारिवे नै बोली कि सेमानकर हृदयंगम हला। सो hence in the years after 1848 the autocratic monarchies of Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce the changes that already taken place in Western Europe before 1815। जहाँ भी किसी माने 1848 रे से काना कले जे 1848 रे जन वेस्टर्न यूरोप जन परिवर्तन देखा दिला, माने वेडेनबर्गर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम रे जन नेपोलियनिक कोड जन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ता हितिला, बुझे ने बहुत गुडी सिस्टम चेंज हितिला, लिबरल नेशनलिज्म पले हितिला, तो ताके से माने काना कले जानले दे हैव टू व्हाट इंप्लीमेंट ऑल द थिंग्स in their country. So the serfdom and bonded labor were abolished. माने काना abolish कराला, first and foremost decision that taken for giving what we may say the what granting concession to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. The first and foremost step they were taken of abolishing of serfdom and bonded labor. प्रथमे काना करा गला से माने serfdom और bonded labor के abolish करा गला हैला in the Habsburg dominions and in Russia, दुईटा जगह रे पूरा बंद करा हला। Habsburg domination जानजो, Habsburg empire जेंटा पढ़ा होइतिला पढ़ितिला, and the Habsburg rulers granted, yes very good, and the Habsburg rulers granted more autonomy to Hungarians in 1867। परीक्षा पछी देखो केते माने Habsburg rulers केते माने ग्रांटिंग को ऑटोनॉमी केबे देली हंगेरियंस मान को, तो देखो तुम्हें Habsburg rulers granted more autonomy to the Hungarians in 1867। okay, then clear regala, any doubts? One important thing you have to know, that is what feminist परीक्षा पड़सी सब बोले define feminist, who were called the feminist, anybody else? I mean, we have already discussed in the class 9, also discussed in the class what 8, who were called as feminist, feminist क्या कहमा, anybody else please response, की क्यों छो? Okay, anybody else? सबुजीमा कहो तो feminist क्या कहमा में, who were, very good. So we will know feminist means awareness of the women's rights and interest based on their belief of social, economic and political equality of the genders. They always wanted what? Gender equality. Those who fight for gender equality called as feminist. Very simple word, very simple. Those who fight for gender equality who were called the women who fight for gender equality in the spheres of social, economic, cultural or whatever this political everything, that is called what? Feminist. Okay, then how will liberty and equality for women be to be defined? In what way can define the what liberty and equality for women? Those who fight for liberty, those who fight for equality are called feminist. Okay, so how can you can define the liberty and equality for the women? Let it discuss. Okay, the liberal politician Karl Welker, an elected member of the Frankfurt Parliament, expressed the following views. What the elected members of the Frankfurt Parliament, he expressed their view on gender equality. They expressed the view for the liberty and liberty and equality for the women. Let's discuss. Nature has, listen, nature has created men and women to carry out different functions. से कहले जे माने प्रकृति ही सेमन काना करा हेचे महिला एवं पुरुष को भाग कर माने काना करचे सृष्टि करिचे निज काम भिन्न भिन्न काम महिला एवं पुरुष करबार लागि हला मैन द स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड द बोल्डर एंड फियर ऑफ टू सब स्ट्रॉन्गर बोली से काना कहले से कहले जे सब स्ट्रॉन्ग के पुरुष माने होचंती स्ट्रॉन्ग से माने बहुत साहसी एवं से माने काना टिके मुक्त है से माने बोली कहले हला and has designated as protector of the family its provider meant for public tasks in the domains of law productions and defense से कहले जे माने से गुटे सुरक्षाकारी प्रोटेक्टर तांको माने सुरक्षा देवाली जे प्रोवाइडर फॉर मेन फॉर पब्लिक टास्क इन द डोमेन ऑफ लॉ प्रोडक्शंस एंड डिफेंस माने उत्पादन करबार लागि विभिन्न शस्य में चाष बास करबार लागि हला कि आईन कानून तैयारी करबार लागि कि डिफेंस रे सैन्य से लड़बार लागि सब काम के करि पारबे नै पुरुष माने करि पारबे इट से डिफेंड करूछन वुमेन दी वीकर से पहले वीकर हिसाब दे तुलना कले के कहले एटा के कहले कार्ल वेलकर सोल्व करबो ना तू मने रखबो कार्ल वेलकर the women the weaker dependent से अन्य ऊपर निर्भरशील not independent they dependent and timid से माने पूरा पूरी काना बहुत timid माने काना दुर्बल हैला and requires the protections of the men से माने समस्त बोले भीरू माने जेतु भीरू से माने coward से काना दरकार they require always protection from men okay her sphere is the home तांगर घरटा केंडा खाली घरर चारि कोण her sphere is the home the care of the children the nurturing of the family these were the only functions of the women do we require any further proof that given such differences equality between the sexes would only endanger harmony and destroy the dignity of the family तो से कहले जे से माने डिफेंड करूछन जे वुमेन मार वुमेन समस्तंकर काना कार्य गुडाक अलग अलग अछि तो वुमेन नर्चर करवाटा ता छुआ माने छुआ पिला के चिल्ड्रन मन को नर्चर करवाटा सेवा शुश्रूषा करवाटा फैमिली के देखवाटा तमे जदी हमें तांकु समान इक्वालिटी दे दमा बोथ सेक्सेस के दे दमा ताले कण हेबा इट वुड एंडरजर हार्मनी माने सद्भावना शांति सद्भावनाटा क्षुण्ण हबो एंड द डिस्ट्रॉय द डिग्निटी ऑफ द फैमिली सम्मान माने गोटे परिवार जो सम्मान रहे ता मध्ये क्षुण्ण हबो जेते बेले गोटे पुरुष एवं महिला को समान हिसाब देखा जाय बोली कि के तांकर व्यूटा तांकर ओपिनियन टा रखले बिफोर द फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट before the Frankfurt Parliament the name is Karl Welker के वो हाँ yes Karl Welker okay so in this what happened in to defend this view what Karl Welker given in the Frankfurt Parliament one of the feminists whose name was Louis Otto Peters he was born in 1819 and died in 1905 was a political activist was a feminist who founded a women's journal and subsequently a feminist political association. The first issue of newspaper that is 21st April 1849 carried the following editorial. से तांकर जन newspaper जन founded करथिले सेतिरे से काना लेखले देखो माने कार्ल वेलकर लेखला पर से काना लेखले से कहले जे let us ask how many men possessed by thoughts of living and dying for the sake of liberty would be prepared to fight for the freedom of the entire people of all human being से घोषणा कले तांकर पेपर एडिटोरियल रे संपादकीय पेज रे से बाहर करले जे जो पुरुष माने चाहंती कि जे समस्त काना possessed by thoughts of living and dying for the sake of liberty would be prepared for fight for freedom of the entire people जो माने समस्तंक पई समान अधिकार चाहंती जो पुरुष माने से माने फाइट करबे के जे समस्त लोक समान अधिकार पाउन माने से irrespective of sex बुझे नै से कहले जे जहां भी लोग रहछन गुटे देश रो जेन माने निजके लिबरल बोली भाबुछन उदार बोली भाबुछन जेन माने लिबर्टी इक्वालिटी विथ फाइट लिबर्टी लागि से माने काना करूछन फाइट करूछन से माने केबे भी प्रस्तुत की जे समस्त लोक देशर समस्ते समान स्वाधीनता पाबे के इटा बोली से क्वेश्चन अराइज करले संपूर्ण काना देखो all human beings when asked this question they would all too easily respond with a yes ମାନେ आराम से कहि देबे हां आमे चाहू समस्त को स्वाधीनता दिया जिबा though their untiring efforts are intended for the benefit of only one half of humanity किंतु सन जहा चेष्टा करूछन one half of humanity means what one half means what 50% of the human beings which means only the men जहा भी सने काम करूछन काले करूछन 50% of the humanity which means only for men not for women okay man but liberty is indivisible किंतु स्वाधीनता होचे डिविजिबल है नहीं से केबे भी भाग करा नहीं पारे जो अधा माने खाली पुरुष माने खाली स्वाधीनता दिया जिबा महिला मान को ताको बहिष्कृत करा जिबा ताको इंक्लूडेड करा नहीं जाए एंता नहीं से बोले से कहली माने लिबर्टी इज इंडिविजुअल देखो एटा बढ़िया जिनिस कहली लिबर्टी केबे भी भाग करा जे परिबा नहीं इट शुड बी इक्वली व्हाट गिवन टू ऑल द men and women so all it should be given to all human beings okay all people which means liberty is indivisible it is not divisible at all okay and free men therefore must not tolerate to be surrounded by the unfree माने गोटे मुक्त व्यक्ति माने अमुक्त व्यक्ति हिसाब रे बुझ कि नहीं केबे भी ता चारि पटे रहबा कथा न बोली से कहले बढ़िया जिनिस कहले कि नहीं माने पुरुष माने सब अधिकार पाइले ताकर चारि पटे या रहले केन माने रहले महिला माने तो सेमान को अधिकार नहीं दिया गला सेमान चारि पटे ताकर पछे घुरुथुबे so that is not at all fair that is not at all what just not at all actually good बोली से कहले an anonymous reader of the same newspaper sent the following letter तापर गुटे गुटे अजणा व्यक्ति ता गुटे लेटर टे लिखले काहा के तांकर एडिटर को लिखले एडिटर ऑन जून 25 1850 1850 रे तांकर एडिटर गुटे लेटर टे लिखले कना women equality women liberty विषय लिखले काना लिखले देखो it is indeed ridiculous माने कना it is indeed ridiculous and unreasonable to deny women political rights even though they enjoy the right to property which they make use of माने एहा गुटे होचे व्यंग एहा गुटे होचे विद्रूप एहा गुटे होचे छलना एहा गुटे होचे हास्यास्पद बोली कहले it is ridiculous and ridiculous and unreasonable माने अकारण कारण किछि नै न बुझे नै to deny women political rights माने समस्त वुमेन से कहले जे जेटा गुटे माने काना हबा गुटे कटाक्ष हबा गुटे व्यंग हबा गुटे विद्रूप हबा जदी समस्त महिला मान को काना दिया नै जाय पॉलिटिकल राइट नै दिया जाय बोली से कहले हला दो दे एन्जॉय द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी जदियो महिला माने सेमान को राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी थिला किंतु तांको पॉलिटिकल राइट वोट देवार अधिकार नै थाई तो एटा गुटे होची गुटे अनरीजनेबल कथाटे बोली से कहले हला एंड दे परफॉर्म फंक्शंस एंड एज्यूम रिस्पांसिबिलिटी विदाउट हाउएवर गेटिंग द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द एक्रू टू मैन फॉर द सेम जहा पुरुष माने जो जहा भी बेनिफिट पांती गुटे फैमिली रे जदियो महिला माने परिश्रम करती किंतु तांको किछि तांको सेही पले बेनिफिट दिया जे नै तो एटा ठीक नै से कहले where this injustice कोन पई एही अन्याय बोली से कहले ओके is it not a disgrace that even the stupidest cattle harder possess the right to vote माने गुटे हार्डर बोले जेंचो समझते हार्डर बोले जेंचो कैटल हार्डर बोले कना हां गाय चराली माने ग्रोप मुझे माने छेली मेंढा पशु जे पालन करसी तो गुटे स्टूपिडेस्ट गुटे बोक्ता ता माने गुटे छेली चराली के वोट देवार अधिकार दिया होची जे जदी से पुरुष होची हेले जने ज्ञानी गुटे महिला की दिया नै जिबार तो एटा ठीक के बोली से कहले इज इट नॉट डिसग्रास गुटे अभिशाप ग्रास माने आशीर्वाद डिसग्रास माने अभिशाप हला इज नॉट ए डिसग्रास दैट इवन द स्टूपिडेस्ट okay cattle herder possess the right to vote simply because he is a man whereas highly talented highly brilliant highly prudent because his talented women wings considerable property are excluded from this right even though they contribute so much to the maintenance of the state बहुत मतलब प्रॉपर्टी अछि से बहुत संपत्ति अधिकार करछे he is contributing to the country by giving taxes by giving so many things to the what developments of the country still he was what not given or denying the right to vote which means the political right or suffrage right this is injustice this is ridiculous this is unreasonable this is ludicrous everything you can say so this is how the different view that came up in European newspapers and also in the parliaments about the what about the liberty and equality of the women okay so these are the important things you have to know so after discussing after all these things what do you agree with me? Whether the women get all the rights or not? Anybody else please respond? Whether all the women should get all the rights or not? They should have the liberty or equality or not? Please respond. Those who yes, okay. Write down in the chat box. Those who agree with me, write down in the chat box. Chat box रे लिखो समझते. Write down in the chat box. Yes, they should have. लिखो. Yes, very good. Very good.